Today, in our marketing story, we are going to discuss about the recent controversy of the advertisement issued by Tanishq. The Tanishq ad being pulled down is a moment that warrants some introspection. Are we burdening an extreme trolling and cancel cultural defining our society? Titan as a brand has always stood for highlighting positive changes in the society. Over the years, the brand has made impactful advertisements celebrating diversity, depicting a single mother's second marriage, and even questioning the constant rush to get married. Their new campaign, Ektavam, also aimed to celebrate the coming together of communities, but very bluntly put, the internet did not allow that. What was the ad about? A simple backdrop. A Hindu woman is married to a Muslim family and is expecting a child. The mother-in-law surprises her with a Hindu ceremony for expectant mother, and they share a joyful moment with each other. That's all. The internet spewed hateful remarks against the brand and even threatened the employees. They perceived the ad to be insensitive and hurtful to certain section of the society. The reason varied from why depict a Hindu-Muslim marriage to why particularly choose this context and why not show a Hindu household instead. Soon, Boycott Tanishq started trending. Tanishq took the ad down and issued this statement. You can go through the statement of your own. Sections of the people had issues with the statement as well, accusing Tanishq of not standing up to the troll and showing a weak stance. However, when the safety of your employees and retail stores are threatened, standing up to trolls and taking a high ground is easier to said than done. It is truly heartbreaking to see so much of hate on something which aimed to bring about a positive message.